This short's on a print ad for a 55 Bel Air four-door sedan. I think it's a 55. Because that's when Chevrolet offered the three new engines. Their Turbofire V8, the Blue Flame 136 with the Power Glide, and the Blue Flame 123 with the standard transmission or the extra cost option of new touchdown turbo drive overdrive, which is really weird how they have used their words. But yeah, you got a good looking sedan here. You got an Air Force jet in the back. So giving you the military hookup. The Air Force guys checking out the car and the pilot over here.